Some warm, muggy conditions out there. Our southeastern counties initially, I think we'll see some showers and storms maybe as early as midday, getting into the early afternoon, and then we'll have that scattered activity maybe for that drive home. It looks like around 4 or 5 o'clock, mainly east of Dallas and Fort Worth, but we can't rule out 1 or 2 showers and storms around the Metroplex later today, so just be prepared for that. We will have some isolated to scattered activity around. By tomorrow, though, we're going to have a cold front moving over the Red River. Don't look for much of a cool down at all behind the front, but we will have an enhanced chance for some showers and thunderstorms across the area along the front as we go through the day tomorrow. Better chances, I think, south of I-20 as we get into Tuesday afternoon and evening, but we will have our best chances for the rain and storms will be tomorrow, and they will be scattered about with those rain chances through the middle of the week as well. Lower chances later this week, but the rain chances don't go away entirely. You'll notice that about a 20% coverage today. We'll bump that up to about a 60% coverage tomorrow, 40% on Wednesday, and then rain chances do drop off heading on into Friday into the upcoming weekend. Now we are looking at the rainfall forecast between a Monday and a Friday across the area, maybe as much as 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch in and around the Metroplex, and maybe some higher rainfall totals, maybe 2 inches plus as we head a little farther south. So as we go through the next few days here, as we look at that 10-day forecast for you, rain chances and cooler temperatures continue right on into the upcoming weekend. Look at that, Saturday, Sunday, Labor Day on Monday, daytime highs not getting out of the 80s. That's not going to be too bad at all, with at least a chance for some showers and storms Saturday and Sunday.